If there's one annoying thing that we all have to go to, it's probably school. And I remember every single day that I'm in school, I'm in one of my classes, and everyone, I kid you not, everyone, every single one, including myself, is on my phone, is on their phone. Just really think about that. There's 20, 30 people all in a room, and we're just staring at some screen. I know I probably sound like some old guy or your parent talking about this, but it's seriously so true. I remember so many times when I saw girls walking by or someone walking by, I would just pretend to be on my phone and just swipe through my home screen, swipe through the apps, open up some app I did for the fifth time, delete it, pretend to be so busy on my phone when I just want to avoid some uncomfortable conversation. And it's so crazy how I feel like 100 years ago, everyone would have been talking, everyone would have been greeting each other, saying hi, and having a great time. But that seems so far away from what is happening right now. This is a massive problem that I really feel like is starting to rise up. And if we don't do anything about it, we're gonna be like one of them. We don't want to be always on our phone, bro. We don't always want to be scrolling, not really doing anything in our life. We don't want to be like that. I know we're way better than them. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just love sharing things that I've learned in my life, giving it to you, sharing with you, because I really could have used this when I was on my phone all the time. I wish when I was on my phone I could have saw a video like this, basically. I also do coaching to help people quit bad habits, relapsing, scrolling, video games, like all those things. So if you're interested in that, click that link in the description as well. And if you like the vibe I'm in, consider subscribing, because I post videos like these every single day to try to give you something to think about. It's so crazy how it's weird to not be on your phone. Social media is making people less social. Phones are destroying our brains. But as soon as I started to live like a human being more and just talk to people, say hi to strangers that I see, it felt so freeing. It felt so relieving and good. And you want to know why? Because that's how we're supposed to freaking live. We're not supposed to be staring at some 6 inches or something. Okay, whoa. But I think you get what I'm trying to say. It's normal to talk to people. It's normal to acknowledge people's presence. And you honestly don't have to talk to a million girls, talk to a billion strangers, but just acknowledging people's presence. So many times when I was around school, I saw people that I knew, but I didn't say hi to them. I didn't hold eye contact with them. I pretended like they weren't my friend, like they didn't exist. So from now on, I really want you to try to acknowledge people's presence. If you see someone you know, talk to them, ask them a question. And bro, I just want to say, if you're overthinking about it, like, oh, what if he says this? What if it's weird or something? Just know this is how humans are supposed to interact. Every time I didn't overthink about something and actually just talk to them, it felt amazing. So please take my personal experience with this, because it's so annoying when you just overthink about everything, and you probably know that too. So it's not worth it. It's not going to help you. And the best actionable step I could give to you right now is to not go on your phone when you're doing small things. When you're in the car, when you're on the bus, when you're waiting for the bell to ring and there's 3 minutes left in class, just don't go on your phone. Just acknowledge the area you're in, maybe say hi to someone. Once again, it doesn't have to be this crazy thing of talking to a billion people, but just acknowledging the environment you're in. And if you see someone you know, see someone that looks interesting, just talk to them. This is how humans are supposed to live. So it's completely fine, it's completely normal, and you shouldn't overthink it. When your mom's driving you home from practice, don't look at your phone, but look at the view. Talk to her. If you're waiting for something that's gonna eventually happen, like the bell ringing or something, don't go on your phone. Be present with the area you're in and try doing something else besides going on your phone and living more like a human. Because any amount of time we're on screens and stuff, it's not human. We're not supposed to be living like this. I really want you to think about this. Think about your environment. Talk to the people that you see. Be present. And as soon as you start doing this, you'll enjoy your life a lot more because you're living like a human. If you want a great way to live more like a human and talk to people, join that like-minded club in the description right now. A lot of cool people are in there, and you can be a perfect fit. We all want to get better and talk to people and have great lives. We all hold each other accountable and things. And once again, if you want to, I could coach you and hold you accountable every single day. Find the time in that Calendly link in the description so we can hop on a quick little call and talk about what I want to do. Join that like-minded club in the description. Hope you have a great rest of your day. I'm going to go home, talk to some people, eat some dinner. Nice sweet potatoes and fish, I think. So I'm going to be busted. So see you, bro. Sticker.